Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. A strong chance to be sold in Australia from 2025. Badged as a Renault. The new Duster moves from the ancient B0 platform to the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance CMFB architecture that underpins the latest Nissan Juke and Renault Captur. The platform will help improve not only the SUV's refinement and handling, but also bring significant gains in practicality and technology, allowing Dacia to introduce both hybrid and mild hybrid powertrains, as well as some of the Renault Group's latest driver assist tech. Measuring in at 4,340 millimeters long, 1,910 millimeters wide, and standing 1,660 millimeters tall. The new Duster is 1 millimeter shorter, 106 millimeters wider and 22 millimeters lower than before, but gets a more generous 472-litre boot 27L. New accessories include a removable 3-in-1 box that converts the Duster's cabin into a double bed in just 2 minutes. There's also a new roof rack that can carry up to 80 kilograms. Under the bonnet, the Duster is being launched with a 96 kW 1.2-liter 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine with 48V mild hybrid tech. It comes with either 2WD or 4WD and is paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox. A more advanced 103 kW hybrid is also available that combines a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor starter generator and a 1.2 kW battery. The system is said to allow the Dacia hybrid to travel in. The new 10.1-inch display can also show tilt angles, up and downhill pitch and torque distribution on cars with all-wheel drive. Helping protect the Duster off-road are large bash plates, while the black plastic shield around the car that includes the wheel arches and bumpers is designed to withstand light bumps and scratches. Cabin materials used are said to be heavy-duty. The cheapest models get a 3.5-inch digital display in the instrument panel, a 4-speaker sound system, Bluetooth connection, single USB connection, and an integrated smartphone holder. There's also fixed roof bars, 6 airbags, and rear parking sensors. The Expression gets 17-inch alloy wheels, a 7.0-inch digital instrument cluster, 10.1-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a reversing camera. The Extreme comes with climate control and copper color trim highlights, and the more rugged upholstery and rubber mats. The range-topping Duster Journey, meanwhile, gets 18-inch alloy wheels, keyless go, a wireless smartphone charger, sat-nav, and a premium 6-speaker sound system. Dacia has yet to announce full pricing ahead of European deliveries kicking off in 2024, but the Duster is tipped to be priced below your $20,000 to $33,000 for the cheapest Dacia Duster Essential. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.